Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.